Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Tawana. Hey y'all. As you can tell by the title of this video, it is a luxury unboxing. I went shopping and I wanted to take you guys right along with me. Let's go shopping. But before I go, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share. Let's go shopping.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy.
So y'all, this is what I brought back from Gucci. I have 3 purchases. And the first one is this one right here. I love the decor or the print of Gucci's new bagging. Green, I love green. There's the receipt, and I believe this is the care card, or actually it's the return sticker. That's the receipt. And the box has Gucci in it. And what I thought was, stick this in here like this. Is some GG socks. They beige with gold glittering all over them. They're super cute. Super cute. And this purchase over here, before I get into this, I'm an accessory kind of girl. If you could give me a pair of glasses, boots, shoes, scarves, jewelry, earrings, I love that stuff. I'm not too much bags. I like bags, but not that much. And if I do get a bag, it got to be crossbody or top handle. Yeah, I'm that kind of girl. Now this purchase was a surprise from my husband. Here's the receipt as before. And a return card in it. Has Gucci on it. Super cute. And what happened was with this, we in a Gucci store, and I'm looking at the stuff because I got my whole list down of what I want and what I like and what I'm getting. I'm trying to buy the whole store, girl. So I'm in there. So he comes over like, Wanda, you could get whatever you want. Well, I was like, what? My whole language changed. I was in there like, damn, Boppy. You looking good today. I was all in there. You know I'm a hot mess. But here's this. Here's the chain. And this chain has the 2 G's on it. And the chain itself has the GG's in detail going all around. If you can see that. If you can't see it, I'll show it a little later in the video a second time. But it's super cute. Have my eye on it. Yeah. And the bag that it comes with is lavender, a little pouch. And it has Gucci on the bag in too. This is super cute. You put up in your little jewelry box for your dresser. So the Gucci store I went to was DC. They were super kind in there, pleasant, most of all patient. So if you're ever in the DC area, check them out. Last but not least, we got this big box. Big old box. And here's my receipt to this one. Same as all the rest. Just sling this. Nah, I'm just like sling it to the side. And hurry! Here you have this big old box that has Gucci going across. Let's just open it. I'm gonna sit this bag down. Put this stuff inside the bag too. Sit this on the table. So what I have here is a pair of boots. And it comes like this inside the bag. You see. Inside the box, they have shoelaces. We have care cards. How to take care of the boots in all languages. And then we have dust bags for each pair of the boots, so that you can keep your boots nice and clean so they don't mess up, which is always a good thing. And here are the boots. OMG! I love these things. I love them. Oh my God. I'll show you the boots. Now this color is like a caramel or tan. It has the GGs up in the front. And it's the tie up on the side. And it has the buckle on the side. I'll unloose the buckle so we can see the boot. And on the side, it has the zip up part. And on the little piece part, it has Gucci written on there, if you can see. And then in the front, it also has Gucci in the front as well. I just love these boots. I'm just feeling the whole boot season with every designer pretty much has boots out now. Super cute. I got my eye on a couple of another pair too. With different designers. I love these boots. These boots are everything to me. Super cute. Here's the other one. So I'll take them both out to show you the boot. Give you another look. I always like to look at the bottom of the shoe. I don't know why, I love the bottom of all shoes. Just to look at the bottom. So it has the snake on it. So now I'm going to do is try them on for you.